Hello everyone, I'm Himanshu and welcome to the Englishplanet. Let's learn something new today. Today's phrase is get rid of something or someone. The meaning is to separate, remove, throw away or free something or someone unwanted and unpleasant because you no longer need them. Now let's look at some example sentences to understand the use better. I want to get rid of this fear and enjoy my life. Please get rid of this mess before mom comes. Can you help me get rid of this virus in my laptop? You can use your strengths to get rid of your weaknesses. Unless she gets rid of her bad habits, she cannot join the group. What should I do to get rid of my hesitation? Emma should get rid of her tenants because they are quite troublesome. Get rid of negative people to achieve your ultimate goals. I want to get rid of all the stereotypical people around me. Either you get rid of your excuses or they will get rid of you. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want videos on interesting facts, knowledge and current affairs, please subscribe to the channel in the description box. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.